Hey Subbies! Today we're going to talk about a topic that is very near and dear to my heart, as I'm sure it is to all of yours. We are going to be discussing how to make lifelong friends. Thank you for coming to my channel. I would really love it if you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Today we are going to be talking about how to make lifelong friends. These here are friends that'll be with you through the good and the bad times, and being there regardless of circumstances there because they can rely on you and you can rely on them. The most important thing in any friendship is to make an effort. That is a very important step there because it is very helpful, because it works for both people's advantages there, that it works on your behalf because it shows there that you're willing to put in the effort to create the solid foundation there for the friendship by giving them opportunities and presenting opportunities for you to hang out and to keep the gateways of conversation and communication open, which is very important, as well as by giving them the opportunity there to give an alternate idea there for an activity there that they would like to do when you present the idea there that you would like to do. And there are many, many, many ways of being able to keep these gateways open. Exchange phone numbers there by looking them up on Facebook, because a lot of people use Facebook, where with Facebook you can communicate with the phone call and video call options, as well as texting. They're all right from the Facebook Messenger app, which makes it a very useful way of communicating, to have all types of ways of communicating in one location. Another wonderful way of communicating is by writing letters, aka snail mail. Being able to send them postcards and being able to send them presents in the mail. There's stuff there that shows that you were thinking of them, to be able to send them postcards of where you're at, be able to send them gifts there that reminded you of them because of something that you saw there that reminded you of a childhood memory. These things there show that you care deeply about this person and about the friendship there, to be able to get something there that reminds you of them, because it's a very heartfelt thing to do instead of sending them things of monetary value, of cash. It's more meaningful there to send something there that has sentimental meaning to you, because it shows there that you were thinking of them when you were looking at the gifts and at the items in the location there that you were browsing around. Another wonderful idea is, because of this wonderful technology, how we have video chats, you can also be watching a movie together, which I know is mind-blowing, but you can compromise on a movie there that you and your friend both want to watch, and be able to get onto video chat at the same time and watch the movie together while having the camera flipped around, so you guys can both enjoy the movie and comment on it in real time. A wonderful way to enjoy spending time together if you guys don't live close to one another. Another wonderful way there to create a lasting friendship is by having a common interest. The best ways I've found of having a common interest is through a lot of the friends there that I've made here on YouTube. There is because of our common interest of being YouTubers, of having that common connection, of wanting to relate to people, of wanting to interact with people, of wanting to share information with people there. That is an amazing interest to have, to be able to be wanting to share that skill with one another, being able to wanting to help people there, because that's an amazing connection there to have, is to just be generous, to be able to share wisdom and skills and thoughts with the world there. That's phenomenal, to be able to not only want to do that, but to actually put the gears in motion to do that. And it's amazing there that you can bounce ideas off of one another there, and from watching YouTube there you can get ideas there for content there that you make a bunch of friends there from them checking out your content just because of them being around your channel for so long there, that you guys do have that very strong friendship there, that you guys can interact with different video ideas and be able to communicate about tips and tricks to help one another to be not only better people but also better YouTubers as well. Another wonderful interest there to create lifelong friendships is through a book club, because everybody loves reading, and because of being able to each share the common interest of a book, you can then discuss that book, about what topics of the books that you enjoyed, as well as where the book could have improved, what other books there you hope to read from this author, and what series there you thought of there while reading this book, to be able to then branch it off into having a movie night of watching the movie versions of the book series that you had just read. I mean, it's amazing there that you can even go to different locations there and enjoy hanging out simply at a park, or feeding the ducks there at a duck pond, or going to a movie theater there, to be able to then just catch up with each other's lives there and be able to discuss plans there that you'll be having there in the next few years. But the important thing here is that I cannot stress enough is that it is very important to make an effort to establish the friendship and maintain the friendship, because everything is a give and a take there. You have to make the effort to be able to see the effort presented to you as well there. It's a two-way road. That's how things work the best, and that's how things have worked. The main points here for maintaining a lifelong friendship is to make an effort to have a common interest, to be able to be there to support one another, because that speaks volumes. There's being there for one another during the good and the bad times, to be there to share their celebratory moments, and to be there for them when they're not feeling so great, there to show that you are more than a fair weather friend there, that your friendship speaks volumes and means a lot to the both of you there, to be there for them when each other needs someone to rely on there, because that's an amazing feeling, because everybody wants someone that they can connect with and to rely on. I am hoping that these tips here have really helped you out there, because they have helped me out a lot there in having lifelong friends there that I couldn't be more happy to have there, because I truly see the value of their deep, meaningful friendship there, as opposed to the fair weather friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and hit your notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Until next time, guys, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, subbies.